Hello students, now we will see exercise 5.2 of chapter lines and angles. But before we start exercise 5.2, we will quickly recap some important results that are related to transversal, because this we are going to use in our exercise 5.2. So this part already we have seen in our introduction video. Then also once again we will quickly revise it and then we will start our exercise so that it will be easy for you. Now we have seen that what is a transversal, and when we get a transversal, so there are some important pairs of angles formed. Okay, so transversal is a line which cuts two parallel lines at two distinct points. So here if you see this line L and this line M, these two lines are parallel. Parallel means they are at same distance. Okay, they are exactly parallel. You can see that from the figure you can make out. So these two lines are parallel, and this third line, okay, which is cutting this two line at this point and at this point, means two different points. Okay, so this third line which cuts this two line, this line is called the transversal. So this line I have given name N. So this line N, okay, this third line N, this is called a transversal. So this transversal cuts this two parallel line, okay, at two different points. Now whenever these parallel lines they are cut by a transversal, we get some special pairs of angles. Okay, so these are the important results we will discuss. First of all, corresponding angles. Now what are corresponding angles? Corresponding angles means the angles, corresponding angle means the angles lying on the same side of the transversal, means this is the transversal. Okay, so transversal ke same side pe hona chahiye. Okay, you have to see the position of the angles. Okay, first of all we have how many angles? 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are total 8 angles which are formed around this transversal. Okay, so first of all this angle 1 and this angle phi. If you see angle 1 and angle phi, they both are lying on the same side. Angle 1 is on the left side of transversal. Okay, ये जो line है transversal के left side है और ये line के ऊपर है. Okay, this lines above. So angle 1 is on the left side and it is above this line. Similarly, angle 5 is also on the left side and it is above. So if you see carefully the position of angle 1 and angle 5, the position is same. So you have to see the position carefully. So angle 1 and angle 5, such angles whose position is exactly same, that angles are called corresponding angles. So here angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles and corresponding angles are equal. So this is our first important result, that each pair of corresponding angles are equal in measure. Okay, corresponding angle का जो measurement होगा that will be always same, means angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Now this is one pair of corresponding angle. Again if you see carefully you will get other pairs of corresponding angle also. See this angle 2 and angle 6. They are also on the same position. Angle 2 is on the right side of this line. Okay, right side of transversal. Angle 6 जो है that is also on the right side of this transversal, and एंगल 2 कहां पर है? इस लाइन के ऊपर. सिमिलरली एंगल 6 कहां पे है? इस लाइन के ऊपर. ओके, सो बोथ आर अबव द लाइन एंड बोथ आर ऑन द राइट साइड. सो आई मीन टू से दैट their positions are same. So angle 2 and angle 6, they are also corresponding angle. So first angle is angle 1 and angle 5. Second pair of angle is angle 2 and angle 6, and both are equal. Both are equal. Okay, so these are two pairs. Again if you see carefully angle 3 and this angle 7. Angle 3 जो है वो ट्रांसवर्सल के लेफ्ट साइड है और इस लाइन के नीचे है. ओके, दिस एंगल 3 बिलो द लाइन. सिमिलरली ऐसा एंगल अगर आप यहाँ पे ढूंढोगे, सो दैट इज एंगल 7, दैट इज ऑल्सो ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड एंड बिलो द लाइन. सो एंगल 3 कहाँ है? इस लाइन के नीचे और लेफ्ट साइड पे. सेम वे एंगल 7 कहाँ है? दैट इज ऑल्सो बिलो द लाइन and on the left side of this line. Okay, so angle 3 and angle 7, they are also corresponding angle and they are also equal. So third pair is angle 3 and angle 7. Next one more pair is possible, that is angle 4 and angle 8. Angle 4 भी नीचे की तरफ है, angle 8 भी नीचे की तरफ है. ओके इस लाइन के नीचे है और ट्रांसवर्सल के राइट साइड. सिमिलरली एंगल 8 ऑल्सो on the right side and below this line. Okay, I hope you are getting it. So angle 4 and angle 8, they are also corresponding angles. So such angles whose position is exactly same, they are called corresponding angles. Okay, in your classroom, okay, if I talk about position in your classroom, we are talking that there are rows of benches, first row, second row and third row. So if I ask you that in first row, second bench, right side, who is sitting? Similarly, if I ask you that in fourth row, second bench, right side, who is sitting? So that person and this person, their position will be exactly same. Second bench, okay, and second bench, that side also, and right side, and that side also, right side. So this way, exact position when we talk about, that is corresponding angle. So here in this figure, there are 4 pair of corresponding angle, angle 1 and angle 5, and both are equal. Similarly, angle 2 and angle 6 both are equal, angle 3 and angle 7 both are equal, and angle 4 and angle 8 both are equal. So this was one pair of angle, that is corresponding angle. So how to find corresponding angle? Now you know. Now next is alternative angle. Now alternative angle means alternate, from the word alternate. Alternate means if one angle is this side, other should be that side. मतलब दोनों का direction अलग अलग होना चाहिए. So now we will talk about alternate interior angles. Now what is interior angle? Interior angle means जो अंदर के side है. अंदर के side means it should be in the inside part, interior part. So if these two are the lines, okay, the angle which are between these two line, ये दोनों line के बीच में जितने भी angles है, they are called interior angles. Okay, so ये आपकी जो दोनों line है, line L and line M, इसके अंदर मीन्स इतने पार्ट में जितने एंगल्स है 3, 4, 5, 6, ये हो गए आपके इंटीरियर एंगल्स. और इसके बाहर जो है आउटसाइड मीन्स 1, 2 एंड ये 7, 8, ये भी बाहर की तरफ है, ये भी बाहर की तरफ है. सो ये वाले एंगल्स हो गए एक्सटीरियर. एंड दीज एंगल्स विच आर बिटवीन दिस टू लाइन, ये दोनों लाइन के बीच में है, बाहर नहीं है, सो दे आर कॉल्ड इंटीरियर एंगल्स. सो दैट इज इंटीरियर. इफ ओनली इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर आस्क्ड, देन यू विल राइट 3, 4, 5, 6. These are only interior angles. But here we are talking about pair of alternate interior angles. Interior angles and they should be alternate. Alternate means अगर एक left side पे है तो दूसरा right side पे होना चाहिए. That is called alternate angles. Okay, alternate angle means दोनों angle का position अब opposite होना चाहिए, अलग अलग होना चाहिए. Corresponding में क्या था? दोनों same position. अल्टरनेट में क्या है? दोनों का पोजीशन अलग होना चाहिए, अपोजिट होना चाहिए, डिफरेंट होना चाहिए. नाउ वी विल सी दैट. सो हियर वन एग्जांपल इज एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 6. इफ यू सी एंगल 3 कहाँ है? ये आपकी जो लाइन है ट्रांसवर्सल, उसके लेफ्ट साइड पे, राइट और नीचे की तरफ है. ओके, इट इज बिलो दिस वे. ओके, राइट, सॉरी, लेफ्ट साइड एंड बिलो. नाउ इसका अल्टरनेट एंगल कौन सा होगा? Angle 6, because this is on the left side. What is opposite of left? Right. So this is on the right side. Angle 6, right side or line के ऊपर, above the line. This is below the line. This is above the line. This is on the left side and this is on the right side. So angle 3 and angle 6, they are alternate interior angles. Interior भी है because they are between the lines, और alternate भी है because their position is अपोजिट. ये अगर लेफ्ट साइड है तो ये राइट साइड है, ये लाइन के नीचे है तो ये लाइन के ऊपर है. सो दे आर कॉल्ड अल्टरनेट एंगल्स. ओके, सो एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 6 आर इक्वल. अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल. ओके, सो एंगल 3 का मेजर अगर आपको पता है, यू कैन नो एंगल 6 ऑल्सो डायरेक्टली. सो एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 6. दे आर अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. सिमिलरली एंगल 4 एंड एंगल 5 आर ऑल्सो अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. ये भी 4 कहाँ है? राइट साइड पे और नीचे, बिलो द लाइन. 5 is on left side and above the line. So alternate. Okay, their positions are opposite to each other. If this is right, this is left. If this is below, this is above. Are you getting? So these are alternate angles. So 2 pairs are possible. Angle 3, angle 6, angle 4, angle 5. 2 pairs for interior alternate angles. So this was the second important result of transversal. Now third is each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Now the interior angles which are on the same side, okay, same side of the transversal, they are always supplementary. Supplementary means उनका जो total होगा that is always 180 degree. Let us see that which angles Okay, they are on the same side. If you see angle 3 and angle 5, now they should be interior. Okay, 3 और 5 इंटीरियर है और दोनों ट्रांसवर्सल के सेम साइड पे है. इफ 3 is, this is the line, okay, so 3 is on the left side, 5 is also on the left side, and both are in the interior part, 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5, such angles, okay, such angles who are on the same side and they should be interior. So their total is always supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. So angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle 4 plus angle 6, 4 और 6 भी same side पे है. Right side, this is also right side. और दोनों interior angle भी है, right? Both are interior also and both are on the same side of the transversal. So we are talking about same side of the transversal. So angle 4 plus angle 6 total will be equal to 180 degree. So these are the first, second and third important result of a transversal. Now these topics what we have recapitulated today, we will see it in our exercise 5.2. So let us proceed ahead to exercise 5.2. Now this is exercise 5.2 of chapter 5, lines and angles. Question number 1 is state the property that is used in each of the following statements. Now figure is given to us and these are the questions. We have to just state the property. Okay, सिर्फ property का ही नाम बताना है, solve नहीं करना है. So first one is if A parallel to B. A means this line, B means this line. Now in this figure, if you see, these two are parallel line, this A and this B. And now there are two transversal given to us. This is one transversal. Okay, ये एक transversal है. Okay, this line is cutting this both parallel line. Now second line is also given to us. So this is second transversal. So transversal can be more than one also. 2 or 3 transversals also can be given in a figure. So this is one transversal. This is second transversal. 2 lines. Okay, 2 transversal. Now first is if A is parallel to B. Now it is given that A and B both are parallel. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. So this angle 1 and this angle 5 both are equal. Now if you see carefully, angle 1 and angle 5, they are which type of angle? Just now we have seen the types of angles. So if you see angle 1 and angle 5, their position is same. Angle 1 is on the left side and above the line. Angle 5 is also on the left side of transversal and above this line. So angle 1 or angle 5 का जो position है, the position is exactly same. So which angles they are? Corresponding angles. So first answer will be corresponding angles property. Okay, so which property, by which property they are telling that angle 1 is equal to angle 5? They have already written, given to us that angle 1 and angle 5 are equal. How they are equal? We have to give the reason. So that reason is corresponding angles. They are corresponding angle property. So first one done. Now second one is if angle 4 is equal to angle 6, then A is parallel to B. Now they are telling that this angle 4 and this angle 6, okay, if they both are equal, then this A and B are parallel. So again, which property? This 4 means you need to see the angle carefully. 4 and 6. 4 is on this side and 6 is on this side. See, the directions are opposite now. 4 जो है, that is on the left side of transversal and 6 is on the right side of transversal. Now 4 is below the line and 6 is above the line. Are you getting? So which angle? Opposite direction, opposite position. We have just now seen they are alternate interior angles. दोनों अंदर के side है. 4 और 6 दोनों ये between these two lines. So they are interior also. Okay, and they are alternate. Alternate means if one is on the left side, other angle is on the right side. So 4 is on left side, 6 is on right side. 4 is below the line, 6 is above the line. So such angles are called alternate angle. So second one, what will be the name of the property? Alternate interior angles property. So this was second one. Now let us see third. Third is if angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. 4 plus 5 means this plus this. They both are on the same side. Total is given 180 degree. Now we have to give the name of the property again. Okay, A and B are given parallel. Now this also we have discussed just now. Angle 4 and angle 5, they are on the same side. If you can see, 4 is on left side, 5 is also on the left side. दोनों same side पे है. They are on the same side of the transversal. Also they are interior angles. अंदर की तरफ है, ये दोनों लाइन के बीच में है. So angle 4 and angle 5, they are on the same side. They are interior also. So third one's property, see, total is given 180 degree. So the property is interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Just now we have discussed in the beginning that interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So this is the reason for third one. Now we will discuss question number 2. So question number 2 is, in the adjoining figure, identify first the pair of corresponding angle, second the pair of alternate interior angles, third the pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal, and fourth is vertically opposite angle. So these 4 types of angles we have to find out from this figure. Okay, this figure is given to us. This is your A and this is line B. So these both are parallel line, and this line C, is the transversal. Okay, so this figure is given. अब इस figure में से हमको ढूंढना है, क्या ढूंढना है? तो first is pairs of corresponding angles. Now I told you corresponding angle means their position should be same. They should be on the same side of the transversal, and direction wise also their position should be exactly same. So if you see this figure, okay, angle 4 and angle 8, their positions are exactly same. 4 is above the line and on the left side of transversal. 8 is also above the line and on the left side of transversal. So angle 4 and angle 8, that is one pair of corresponding angle. Second pair is angle 1 and angle 5. 1 और 5 भी है. Okay, ये one pair है और ये second pair. So 2 pairs we got. Again, if you see angle 3 and angle 7, their positions are also same. Angle 3 this side, angle 7 also this way. So उनका भी जो position है that is same. Both are on the left side of the transversal and below the line. Okay, so angle 3 and angle 7, they are also corresponding. Same way angle 2 and angle 6, 2 और 6 का position देखोगे, so both are on the right side and below the line. So 2 and 6 are also corresponding angle. So first answer, there will be total 4 pairs possible. Okay, later on we will see the solution part. First we will discuss with the figure. Next they are asking alternate interior angles. Alternate means one should be this side, other should be that side. I told you the position should be alternate. So let us see the pair of alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angle कौन से होंगे? So angle 3 and angle 5 alternate. One is on the left side, other is on the right side. Alternate है और interior भी है. So that is first pair. Second answer कौन सा हो जाएगा इसमें? 2 and 8. 2 and 8, they are also alternate interior angles. So this was second one. Only 2 pairs are possible. Alternate angle और भी है. This 4 and this 6, they are also alternate, but they are on outside part. So they are exterior angle. They are asking alternate interior angle. So interior angle में 2 ही pair आएगा. That is 3 and 5, 2 and 8. Okay, so this will be our 2 pairs. Now third is the pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Now we have to find out the pair of interior angle जो transversal के same side पे है. तो same side पे interior angle कौन से है? तो 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Okay, 3 and 8. This is one pair. They are on the same side. Okay. Also 2 and 5. दोनों same side पे है. 2 भी line के right side पे, 5 भी right side पे. So 2 and 5, they are also on the same side and they are interior also. So again in this answer 2 pairs are possible. Now fourth, they are telling vertically opposite angles. Now in introduction video we have seen what are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angle means exactly opposite होना चाहिए. The letter X should be formed. The letter X should be formed. So vertically opposite angle, if you see 3 and 1, they are vertically opposite. 3 इस तरफ है, 1 उस तरफ है, and the letter X is formed by these two. These two are intersecting lines. So 3 and 1, they are vertically opposite. Similarly 4 and 2, this 4 and 2, they are also vertically opposite angles. These both are vertically opposite. Same way 7 and 5 are vertically opposite angles. Same way 6 and 8 are vertically opposite angles. So there will be total 4 pair in fourth one. So now this is the solution part of question number 2. Okay, first one was corresponding angles. So these are the pair 1 and 5. Okay, this is one pair, then 2 and 6. This is second pair, 4 and 8. This is third pair, 3 and 7. This is fourth pair. So 1, 2, 3, 4 pair of corresponding angles are possible. Similarly, second question was alternate interior angles. So in that only two pairs are possible. 3 and 5. This is one pair. 2 and 8. This is second pair. So first and second, two pairs are possible. In third one, the question was the pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal, means transversal के same side पे होना चाहिए. So if you see the figure, we have already seen and discussed angle 3 and 8. This is one pair, 2 and 5. This is second pair. So this is the answer of third one. Now fourth one, they were talking about vertically opposite angle. So vertically opposite angle 1 and 3, then 2 and 4, 6 and 8, 5 and 7. So total 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of vertically opposite angles are possible. So this was question number 1 and 2 of exercise 5.2. Hope you understood.